Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can copy files and directories using the Linux terminal. Okay, so firstly you have navigate into the folder where your files or folders are located. In my desktop I got this folder root. I want to navigate to there. In that folder I have folder 1 and folder 2. So in the terminal I can enter the command cd and then just drag that to here and press enter. If you know how we can navigate into the target folder, we can directly use cd command and enter whatever path here, desktop or documents or whatever path. Okay, now in my folder 1 I got this a.txt and b.txt. I want to copy that b.txt to this folder 2 in the folder root. So we can use the command cp and the source file name. We have to provide absolute path or relative path here. If you provide the relative path, it will check the current path and whatever file or folder name in that current path. In the current path, we got folder 1. In that folder, there was b.txt. So I can enter b.txt. And the next one is the destination folder. You can enter the destination folder as a absolute path or relative path. In my case, I prefer relative path. If you know how you can get absolute path, you can use that method also. Folder 2 is the folder name. Okay, currently there are no such file called b.txt in the folder 2. And I can enter / or just skip that. If I press enter, in the B folder 2, I got the b.txt file. Again, I'm going to delete that b.txt in the folder 2 and enter the / and show you similar thing is happening. File is copying to the folder 2. Okay, now the next step is I'm going to make a folder in my folder 1 called new folder. Then I need to copy this new folder in the folder 1 to this folder 2. For that I can provide the relative path. Currently we are in the folder root, this one. Okay, so I can go ahead and say cp. In this case we are going to copy a folder. That means we have to provide -r. To copy a folder, we have to provide -r there. Next argument is the source path. You can provide absolute path or relative path. In my case, I can say folder 1. In that folder, I got new folder. There was a space. To specify a space, I have to put / then space, then folder. One thing to note here, if you put the / before the source folder name, if you are using relative path, it will end up with an issue. Let me go ahead and show you what will happen. And the next step is to provide the destination folder name for the absolute path. It can be folder 2. Now it showing us no such file or directory. That because we had removed this / before the source destination path. Okay, I can remove that /. Now we have our source path and the destination path. We can execute that. Now in my folder 2, I have the new folder. Okay, remember you had used this -r and don't use / before the source folder name. Now let me go ahead and remove this new folder in the folder 2. And enter / before the destination path as follows. Now, let me run that again. Now it's showing us another issue. That means you cannot use the / before the destination path also. Now it's working. Okay. Now in the folder 2, I got new folder. That's how we can use this Linux terminal to copy a file or folder to another destination. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.